Hello students, good morning. Dear students, this is the lecture number 6 and the chapter Principle of Inheritance and Variation. According to the Mendel, the terms he was used in his experiment, we are just continue describing the genetical terms. So in the series of the genetical terms, we are going to complete the remaining terms that were used by Mendel in his experiment. So we are going to start with the back cross after studying the tri-family cross. So student, back cross, as it clear that it is just back. Then what is the back here? The back is the choosing or selecting the individuals of F1 generation and they undergoes the artificial method of cross hybridization with parental generation. So students, what we obtained in the monohybrid cross by taking the stem length or height of the plant stem in monohybrid cross, when we made a cross hybridization by selecting a pair of allelomorphic forms, then we obtain in F1 generation all the individuals become hybrid term. Capital T small t, capital T small t, capital T small t, and that is also capital T small t. So this is the result of F1 generation and all individuals become hybrid term. This is the F1G and this is the parental generation. Now in parental generation what we found, this is the pure tall plant and this is the dwarf. The pure tall is the dominant trait, and dwarf is the recessive ones. So recessive characters get overlapped by the dominant character. Is that clear? Now students, in back cross, this is the cross made between parental generation to the individuals obtained in F1 generation. Is that clear? So in back cross we can take individuals among the parent plant and another from the F1 generation. And we can also take the either dominant or recessive, any types of parental generation trait can be taken in back cross. But always the cross made between the individuals of the F1 generation. F1. This is the individual of F1 generation and this is the parental generation. Okay. Now when the cross made between them, then capital T, and here we obtain capital T small t and also capital T small t. Then what we obtained here? We obtained here about 50%. How much? 50% individuals get back into parental generation and remaining 50% are as well as the individuals remains in the F1 generation. So students, this will be the back cross and this is the result of, you can say that, F2 generation. And the result is about 50%. It means the chances to obtaining the individuals as the dominant trait is 50% and the hybrid trait is also of 50%. Now let's go into with the recessive trait. Then we found here the capital T small t, capital T small t, small t small t, small t small t. Here also we found the same result in which about 50% members showing the recessive traits and become the dwarf in length, and remaining the 50% members are becoming hybrid tall, which shows the character of F1 generation. Thus students, when a cross is made between a parent generation or parental plant with a individual of F1 generation, then this type of cross is known as back cross. Is that clear? And the result, phenotypic result as well as genotypic results you obtain is 1:1. If we are going to simplify this percentage in the ratio, then we obtain 1:1 ratio in both cases. So this is the back cross. I hope you clearly understand the back cross. Now going to describe about students test cross. This is the last term, test cross. Test cross, what is test cross? As we look here in back cross, there is a requirement of an individual from parental generation. It means from pure breed, either dominant or recessive, and the another individuals from F1 generation. In test cross, always a parent having the homozygous recessive trait is crossed with individuals obtained from F1 generation, then such type of cross is known as test cross. So here we are going to carry a test cross. This is the recessive homozygous parent and this is the hybrid type of individuals obtained from F1 generation. Now the cross made here. This is the capital T small t. First we write are taken both capital are both hybrid tall plant. So capital T small t, and there is small t, small t and small t. Thus students, the result here we obtain about 50% individuals get back to their parental generation and remaining 50% individuals are becoming the F1 generation. Such type of cross is known as test cross. Once again going to define about the test cross. When a cross made between selecting, or you can say that made between an individual of F1 generation with a homozygous recessive parent plant, then such type of cross is known as test cross under monohybrid cross. Yes students, either back cross or test cross. These are just the monohybrid cross. One of the cross is also used to carry in the plants having both type of individuals, it means male and female, both type of individual. So such type of cross is known as reciprocal cross. What is reciprocal cross? Just look here. Reciprocal cross. This is cross made between when a male and a female, both characteristics of plants are found separately. Then the process of cross hybridization is known as reciprocal cross. For example, A is the male and B is the female. Now taking their height as capital H and small h, and when the cross hybridization takes place here between a male and a female individual plants, the result so obtained is called capital H, small h, capital H, small h, capital H, small h. It means all the individuals are just similar to the monohybrid cross, and this is the all the individuals are hybrid, and here the character of male and female both are carried with their chromosomes. Thus students, this is called reciprocal cross. In short, you can only define reciprocal cross as when a cross made between a male individual plant and a female individual plant by artificial means. This is called reciprocal cross. Thus students, the related terms with the Mendel's experiment is to be completed, and we will start the Mendel's experiment from next video lecture. So just keep watching the next video lecture to understand the Mendel's experiment on pea plant. Thanks for joining today's lecture.